What's up, everyone? Guys, today's a complete write-off. It's going to be such a quick video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Over 300 of you are watching, so let's get this video to 100 likes after celebrating my birthday yesterday. Had the most amazing day. Not hungover, but absolutely dead, so the rest of the week is a write-off for my for my mentorship students. I can't lie, I'm not in the right headspace, but I'm in a right enough headspace to bring out this crypto video for you guys. And if you remember correctly, the other day we were saying that over here we wanted to close above this 1.272 21.5k, and that is where we printed a shooting star. So I told you guys yesterday we were going to continue down yesterday, and this is what we did. We actually printed in a bearish engulfing. Now we've got 12.5 hours now, and I can just picture all these moon boys. We're going to 100k. Look at that green candle. It's going to engulf the red one. But we still got 12.5 hours, guys. So what's happening now, we can't make a judgment on. We can only make a judgment on the closed candle. So that's the previous one. That right there is a bearish engulfing. So for me personally, could we be going the opposite direction first before wicking back down with a wick to the top, and then we actually start closing out like a shooting star again, like this candle here? That would be interesting if we could see something like this candle here, shooting star, because that would signal further downside. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame again. If you're enjoying the video update, please like, subscribe and comment. If you remember from yesterday, I actually told you guys that this was a push, this was a retracement back into the golden pocket, and then we should expect further dub afterwards. And that's exactly as we look, the drawings from the last video there. We had this impulse, retracement before continuation. And so that's exactly what's happened. Now, you did lose the low, so that means you're meant to go lower, but you reclaimed it and you held its support. So that's actually a bullish sign on the 15-minute. Don't get excited, it's the 15-minute. So we're back at this resistance. You can see that actually we're in and around this golden pocket. So I'm going to actually bring this up one level from the 050 to the 0618, just like that, because you can see we actually got a rejection at the 786 and the 618. So this is now where I'm going to keep this box. So as long as we're below this, then yeah, we should expect further downside. But you can see what sort of bullish pattern is printing. What are the 15-minute moon boys saying? They're saying that potentially there is a double bottom here, and I can see that as well. But we must always remind ourselves, if we go to the 1 hour time frame now, look at this a bit clearer. Where is this 200 EMA? It's over here, so it's lower than it previously was. So even if this double bottom plays out, it might not actually meet its technical target. So we'll get the technical target at first, and then we'll go from there. So our technical target is back at this previous high. So yeah, and it's above the 200 EMA. So the target for this W pattern is actually above the 200 EMA. So if we were to actually go ahead and hit this target, come up from now on, you can see you'd be well above this. So could it be that you actually hit this target, fall back to it as support to continue up? That's the only way we flip bullish. You need to reclaim this 200 EMA on the 1 hour and hold it as support. I can't say that's going to happen as of now. Why? Because we are in a downtrend. So any pump, any bullish pattern should actually not work. So this means that we might not even break above this. Or if we do, we might not meet this target. It might have a quick burst out, hit the 200 EMA, fall back under the neckline, and continue rolling. And we were one of the first to say that this was already looking toppy. We were saying it over here. Yes, it continued, but I always have my 200 EMA there, so I'm well aware where it's going to stop if this is a downtrend. That's why, yes, I actually did enter a trade, and yes, I'm in it. And actually, it was so close to hitting stop loss. I put it on my Twitter. Our stop loss was here, a little bit lower, 21,800. Look how close it was. We were literally less than $96 away from hitting stop loss. And look, it's gone back all the way back down. Now we're retracing for the lower high. As long as we're below this, I don't care about any pump. As long as the pump stops below this high, then I believe that would be a lower high. So even if we come up all the way to the 200 EMA here, that'd still be lower than that high. So technically you should lose this low, because that is a downtrend. Lower lows. So we got a lower high followed by a low, then a lower high followed by a lower low. And then we're anticipating we come back down to this previous double bottoms neckline. This may not hold. But that's an area that I'll look to take some profits off the table of this trade if it were to go right. Again, the invalidation point is if we break this high. That is why my stop loss is there, because if we're closing above this, we're not going down. So that's exactly why my stop loss is there. Thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I probably won't be doing the quant update, guys. I'm just not in the not in the mood, but just not in the right headspace for it right now. I'd rather be fresh on Monday. So I will keep bringing the Bitcoin videos out every day over the weekend. But yeah, that'll be it until Monday. So, or if anything really exciting happens, then yeah, fair enough. But for the moment, you know, we're just waiting for something to play out that we've already made everyone aware about 3 days ago now. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Again, let's get this video to 100 likes. And if you're interested in the education that I offer, where I place these trades, where I buy, where I sell, it's all in the chat, which you get for free, included in the 6-hour course, included in the 20-hour mentorship. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Head over to my Twitter and private message me there. Thank you guys.